Almost done with this coil. Ready when you are.
All right, stand by. Captain says we're nearing the spot.
Each trap is hauled by hydraulic winch and emptied onto a sorting table.
Quarters, chicken here, selects.
Check this one.
Jumbo. Okay, this one's good.
Catch is measured against legal size limits, graded into weight classes, and claws secured before transfer to aerated holding tanks that regulate temperature and water quality.
That's the last of the quarters.
Okay, moving on to the jumbos now.
47 traps hauled, average 4.3, time 07:23.
Yeah, we're heading south now.
Location, count, and size distribution are logged at the point of capture, establishing the first record in the traceability chain.
Looks like we'll be docking shortly.
Ropes coiled, traps stacked.
Good run today, boys.
This one's strong, back in the tank. Water temp is steady at 47.
Good, but this guy's done. Toss him in the coal bin. All right, let's secure everything.
Ropes are done and tagged.
Nets are stowed.
Dockmaster, this is fishing vessel Bella Vista requesting berth assignment. Over.
Get the spring line ready.
Roger that. Watch the current.
Line coming! Line coming! Line coming! Line coming!
The bands are secure and vitality is high. Salinity is at 1.024. Everything looks good for transfer.
Bring her in closer to berth 7. Watch the forklift coming through.
We need more carts over here now. Careful now.
Got it. What's the total on
At the
Bella
dock,
Vista?
batches are weighed,
157.2,
barcoded,
breaking the tag
and
now.
moved into temperature-controlled
Set it
holding
down by
tanks
tank
under
2.
continuous water chemistry monitoring.
Careful with the bottom crates.
All right, let's get these moved over. Make sure these are the 2+ pound jumbos.
Yes, heading to processing facility A.
Inventory is grouped by size and by destination before loading into refrigerated transport crates.
Bring it in.
The cold chain remains closed from harbor
All
to
certifications
facility.
verified. Maintain the cold chain. You are cleared.
The audio contains a calm, synthesized GPS voice providing navigation updates.
Back, back, easy, whoa! 41.8.
Incoming shipments are checked against transport temperature
Everything looks
logs
good, well
and
within the
scanned
42
directly
degree
into the
threshold.
facility inventory
Lift.
system.
Set. Next. We have the next shipment arriving.
Send the first crate to Station 2 for inspection.
Stock is re-verified for weight, health, and vitality before assignment to a production line and a scheduled processing window.
Bands intact, recording satisfactory grade.
This step links the batch to specific customer and product specifications.
Keep an eye on the temperature, should be steady at 45.
Roger that. These look healthy.
All right, dropping these in now.
According to the schedule, we should prioritize the selects. The system has already adjusted the workflow for the incoming batch.
Strong tail snap and vigorous movement, alert antennae, minor shell spotting detected, rejecting for immediate processing.
All right, batch LB 2401, transferring to line 2.
Confirmed.
Entry to the production floor requires gowning and hygiene protocols aligned with food safety certification standards.
Check your gloves for tears before
Processing follows standardized industry procedure.
washing. All right, let's hit the floor. Keep the pace up.
Station 1, ready.
Station 2, ready.
Station 3, ready.
After which material is separated into primary and secondary streams on a controlled conveyor system.
Clear.
Looks good. The medium sizes are flowing correctly.
Confirmed. The jumbo tails are clear at the end.
All right, team, shift starts now. Let's hit that target of 3,500 tails.
Check. Starting extraction on line 3.
Each stream is routed to a distinct downstream process. Meat is extracted in a single motion, rinsed, and cleaned by hand across dozens of parallel stations. Output is inspected under standardized lighting for fragments, discoloration, and texture.
Premium, economy grade.
Then split between premium and secondary lines based on fixed quality thresholds.
Tray coming up on the line.
Approved portions are weighed to target ranges before advancing to packaging.
Watch the weight on this one.
Watch this tray, it's almost full. Okay, I have the next one ready. Check the spacing on rack 3. Make sure it's 2 inches between each tail.
Looks good. Keep the dorsals.
Final check complete. Standards met. Approved for freezing.
Cart 42 is full. Moving it to the queue.
Bring up the next empty one. Keep the spacing tight.
Okay, sample 7 is clear of fragments. Vein removal is complete. Passing this lot. Let's look at the metrics for shift 2.
Assessing for firmness and resilience. The texture is uniform with proper moisture content. This qualifies as premium.
Color evaluation complete. The sample perfectly matches the acceptable white-pink reference standard.
Breaded lobster bites.
Mac and cheese line.
Chowder production.
Air shower engaged. Stepping into the foot bath now.
Confirmed. Particle count is acceptable.
Check the alignment on the left side.
It looks good now. Steady feet.
We can fit one more layer here.
Okay, I'll slide it in now. The next cart is almost full.
Packages pass through metal detection and X-ray screening before release, with inline checkweighers confirming net weight against declared values.
Excellent clarity and presentation. This one goes to premium. The seal here is compromised, rejected. This meets standard requirements.
Random samples undergo microbiological and seal integrity testing in an on-site lab.
Log it correctly on the tracking sheet. We need to schedule maintenance for the seal integrity issue. It's still showing yellow.
Understood. I'll get the team on it right away.
Complete seal, proper label alignment, approved. This one has
Approved product enters a blast freezer operating near -40 degrees Fahrenheit, where high-volume air circulation reduces core temperature within roughly 90 minutes. Every batch is logged against its original catch record ahead of final approval. Temperature is tracked throughout the cycle and confirmed at the core before product clears for packaging. Frozen units are boxed, coated with batch and date data, and palletized into a warehouse held at a fixed, sub-zero temperature.
Color acceptable. Texture firm. No freezer burn observed. Premium standards met.
We need another stack of the large boxes over here.
Okay, I'll bring them. Did you tape the last batch?
Periodic audits confirm inventory accuracy and product condition against the original catch record.
Approved. Cleared for storage.
From capture to shelf, each unit carries a continuous data trail, origin, processing date, and every quality checkpoint in between.
Looks good right there by the sensor. Make sure the bars are secure.
Roger that.
Route confirmed to Regional Distribution Center. Estimated arrival time, 6 hours.
Hold it right there. Looks good.
All right, -8 degrees, we're clear.
Okay, premium lobster tails, 12 cases received. Looks good.
All right, sign right here, please.
Thank you. Have a great day.